Hi there, and welcome to English Pathways. I'm Alex, and in this special 1-hour episode, we'll learn English with a beautiful story, The Secret Garden. This version is slow, clear, and perfect for listening, learning, and speaking. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin.
Once upon a time, in India, there was a little girl named Mary Lennox. Mary lived in a big house with her rich parents. But her parents were cold and distant. They never played with her. Mary was often alone. She felt sad and lonely. One day, a terrible sickness came to the city. Many people died. Mary's parents also died. She was all alone. So Mary was sent to England to live with her uncle in a big old house called Misselthwaite Manor. The house was cold. It was quiet. There were many locked rooms and many secrets. Mary didn't like the house at first, but she was curious. She walked around the gardens every day. One day, she found a strange wall. It had a door covered in green ivy. The door was locked, but Mary didn't give up. A small bird helped her. She found a key buried in the ground. She opened the door. Inside was a secret garden. It was quiet, wild, and beautiful. The trees were old. The flowers were asleep, but the garden was still alive. Mary went there every day. She cleaned the ground. She touched the trees. She smiled. For the first time, Mary felt happy. She laughed. She felt alive again. As Mary spent time in the garden, something changed inside her. She was stronger, kinder, braver. One day, Mary heard strange sounds in the house. She followed them and found a boy. It was her cousin, Colin. Colin was sick. He stayed in bed all day. He was scared to go outside. But Mary took him to the garden. At first, he was afraid, but soon he smiled too. He walked. he laughed. The garden helped Colin grow strong. Mary, Colin, and their friend Dickon played together every day. They talked to the trees. They listened to the wind. They watched the flowers bloom. The garden changed them all. They were no longer weak or afraid. They were full of life. The secret garden was no longer a secret. It was their special place of hope, love, and friendship.
Vocabulary. Lonely means feeling alone or sad. Mary felt lonely in the big house. Repeat. I sometimes feel lonely. Ivy is a green plant that climbs on walls. The door was covered in ivy. Repeat. The ivy grew on the wall. Secret means something hidden or unknown. She found a secret garden. Repeat. It was a secret place. Shadowing practice. Mary walked through the garden. Repeat. Mary walked through the garden. The sun was shining. Repeat. The sun was shining. She smiled for the first time. Repeat. She smiled for the first time. She felt alive. Repeat. She felt alive. The garden was full of life. Repeat. The garden was full of life.
Great job today! You listened to a beautiful story. You learned new vocabulary, and you practiced your speaking. Every time you listen and repeat, your English improves. I'm Alex, and this was English Pathways. See you in the next episode.